Hello, everybody. Today I am at NMACC Mumbai. This is the biggest cultural center here in India. So, what brings me here is my love for animals, safaris, and whatnot. So, they have an exhibition, especially by the name of Wildlife Photographer of the Year 2024, in which they are showcasing the winners of 2023 exhibition of these wildlife wherein all the participants and the winners are from across the world and they have clicked pics in various valleys, mountains, national parks. And there were different categories, like the underwater category, wherein this hippo and its family was the winner of this category. And then you have a category of amphibians, wherein you will see a tadpole eating a sparrow here. So these are the different categories under which people are being awarded. These people here you see are along with the governor of Cape Town, who had come the very same day when I visited, but he was given special services apart from what people at 250 rupees membership, like subscription, like we opt for. So we what services we get. Sometimes the LCDs went blank, like this one, due to some technical error which actually should not happen at such a big center like this. So this one which you see is ornamental tree trunk on which the spider is trying to catch its prey. So that's one by an Indian, and this category is under 10 years old. Another one, these two are from China, and this guy actually, this the paper wasp, who is investigating a penguin tit nest. And it's won by a Chinese, and he has won under 10 years. Again, this one and another one also, he has only won it. So there's one photographer who has won two of the awards for his two of different pics which he submitted. So this one is a cot as it struggles to stay upright on a ice. So this is another category, like totally underaged, very young, fresh talent, which is awarded and appreciated. Now, the next category which will come in is 15 to 17-year old, wherein, see, if you see the starfish, this is so, it is caught underneath, and it is so beautiful. Its hues, orange hues, look so beautiful. So this is like another category, 15 to 70 years photographers submitting pics of wildlife and winning it, and getting better at clicking pics, and showcasing their talent. So like this is how you appreciate the youth and the young talent to come forward and contribute to something innovative in the society. And when it is across the world, so we are, as one unity, we are working. And then it adds up more, because the competition is just not local, it becomes national. And then when you appreciate it, such exhibitions are shown in 35 countries, in four continents. So this is the reach of your talent at that time. So this is another photographer's talent which you see. If you see a mouse, and it is hidden near a ladder, and this pic have been clicked in the dark. So these guys are like internationally from across the world, like China, India, New Zealand, different photographers are showcasing different ways of the very same wildlife thing. Now here what you see is a, mayfly, actually, insect which is leaving its traces on the bridge. So this is a bridge, and all these it's leaving its traces, just so beautifully clicked if you watch it actually live there. Then if you see this one is a owl, actually. So this is the owls are on the left side of the window in an abandoned house. So just think of the mindset of the photographer, how deep photographers think while clicking such pics and submitting entries. And the last one, if you see, under this category is like a leopard with a curled tail at the back, and he's seeing right in the eyes of the photographer. So like hats off to such talent, and so thankful to bringing such exhibitions here in India, so that we could also think out of the box once we see such things. And when we actually come in contact with the wildlife, we are also able to think and create pics in this way. So now I'm going to the third floor. That's the last floor, as it's spread across three floors. And so they're showcasing the wildlife map of India there, and the People Choice Awards of Wildlife Photographer of the Year. So I would love to check that out as well. And there's a film also, they say, that's running on the third floor. So let me check it out. Okay, so what I see here is, a big LCD screen. Again, the governor is here, and you see the turtle and a dragonfly coexistence here. And this cute polar bear, my God, what a pic, bro! It has to get an award. And then you see these rabbits' hairs together, wow! And this dragonfly, stopping that crab actually. So, I was just going along with them, maybe, some information or something extra if the staff would be telling them. So I just wanted to go along with them. But, no luck or no added advantage I got as such from them. And I came back this side again to explore more about this thing which I left. So, they had displayed on the screen. What I left actually was an elephant who was searching for some food and all in the garage. Not garage, garbage, sorry. And this fox, it looked pretty beautiful. It was a very different sort of fox. And to my surprise, there was also a selfie corner, which I've never seen in such exhibitions, but just for promotion. And people share the stories on various social media. So, just to promote this exhibition, I think so, it was there. So, and these guys had this wildlife map of India. This was a very interesting thing which I have actually not experienced anywhere. So this is like every part of India and the wildlife in every part of India, with various national parks. There are approximate 46 national parks in India itself. I mean, why aren't you doing safari like Africa, dude? Like Indians should, gear up for that. So there's like different some of each area, Gujarat, and every pieces north, south, and the various wildlife you will find there. Then there was a big, actually, a entire map also of India, which I'll show you in the yeah, this one. So if you look closely now, you will check out different animals in different parts of the country. So like in the south, if you see, you will find dolphins and all, and that's in Andaman. Okay, guys, so that's it for today, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you find my content any better. I'm gonna bring many more things because I'm traveling here and there, and as per my interests, I'm trying to, capture things and bring to the fore the best of the things to whosoever is viewing my videos and reels and everything. Bye for now. Take care. Happy traveling and keep seeing the world.